donkeys. Friend, there is a sweetness to the moon's one pearl. But consider the ocean it grew in, and the soul's great turning wheel. Graffiti people on bathhouse walls have intelligent origins. But think of who drew the mind. It does take know-how to make oil from suet. These suet-jelly eyes we see with were also skillfully devised. There is a donkey who likes to be fed barley with other donkeys. And there is a donkey that loves the changes that happen in the soul. Now silence lets the one behind your eyes talk. Friend, there is a sweetness to the moon's one pearl, but consider the ocean it grew in.